Ladies and gentlemen, please stand as the Nellis Air Force Honor Guard.
Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Chuck Collins. The Weather Service in Lincoln issuing a tornado warning in effect for eastern Knox and Stark counties in effect for about 35 minutes from now until 4 o'clock. Once again, eastern Knox and Stark counties. And we're talking the communities of West Jersey, Lafayette, Toulon, Wyoming, Bradford, and Castleton. About a few minutes ago, radar indicated a severe thunderstorm in the Dahenda area. Possible rotation that's moving off to the northeast at about 60 miles an hour. Here's the cell right now just to the east of Galesburg. Doesn't look like Galesburg is affected, but once again, eastern Knox and all of Stark counties take cover because this could produce a tornado at any time. All of the area under a tornado watch in effect until 10 tonight. This is just the leading edge of several supercell tornado producing cells that stretch from here to Kansas City, so it'll be a long night weather-wise. But once again, eastern Knox into Stark County, tornado warning. Take cover in those areas because that storm could produce a tornado at any time. We'll keep you posted. I'm meteorologist Chuck Collins.
Broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. O'er the ramparts we watch, we're so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof.
First caution flag of the day, and it comes out at lap 40 for Reed Sorensen, the 20-year-old from Atlanta.
Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Chuck Collins. The Weather Service issuing a tornado warning in effect for Marshall County until 4:30. That's for the entire county. If you're in Marshall County, take cover. We've got a cell moving through the county that could spawn a tornado. Just a few minutes ago, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm about 8 miles southwest of Sparlin, moving at about 55 miles an hour. Here's the cell just right over, western Marshall County, headed toward Putnam and west LaSalle, moving once again at about 60 miles an hour. So once again, we have Marshall County, all the county under a tornado warning in effect for about 25 minutes until 4:30. And this includes Lakin, Henry, and everybody in Stark County. Take cover. Very nasty storm has a possibility of dropping a tornado, according to Doppler radar. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We have more showers and storms back to Kansas City. It'll be a rough weather night in central Illinois. We'll be here to keep you posted. I'm meteorologist Chuck Collins.
All right, they're going to keep pit road closed for one lap because Reed Sorensen is limping onto pit road.
Cup Racing on Fox is sponsored by Team Chevy and the 303 horsepower Monte Carlo.
Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Chuck Collins. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings to tell you about. One that includes the city of Peoria. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Peoria County until 5:15. That will include Dunlap, Peoria, Princeville, and Chillicothe and Rome areas. Weather Service radar indicates a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny or bigger sized hail. It's moving northeast at about 60 miles an hour near Elmwood, and once again moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. So Peoria County, 5:15 severe thunderstorm warning. Also LaSalle and Livingston counties, severe thunderstorm warnings until 5 o'clock. That includes Streeter. Right now, here's a look at our radar. We've had multiple what we call supercells that have contained tornadoes, or at least Doppler indicated tornadoes. So once again, the active warnings we have, Peoria County 5:15. Here's the cell just north of Canton and on the Knox, Fulton, and Peoria County line. This is gaining some strength. It's a small cell, but it's headed right for the city of Peoria, so we could get some action in here in the form of some strong winds and hail pretty soon in the city. Otherwise, here's the nasty cell that has created that southern LaSalle and northern Livingston severe thunderstorm warning as well. So once again, Peoria City and County severe thunderstorm warning till 5:15. Watch out for those weather conditions. We'll have more in a few minutes. I'm meteorologist Chuck Collins.
Is the gap back to the third place car, Jimmy Johnson. That's now at 5.5.